It's 11 degrees Fahrenheit. We got 12 inches of snow in the big storm yesterday, but the 1964 Massey Ferguson 35 started right up. Hydraulic fluid's so thick that it's like moving in slow motion, but I've got the blade on the back. Front loader's no use in this without a blade, but blade on the back, try to get some of this out of here. Slow and steady, getting it done. Wish I had a longer, wider blade, but then I would need more horsepower to get it full. All you have to do is be patient. Well, this is the longer one, about a quarter mile. The snow is cold and fluffy, so not too bad. Moving along. Field looks nice. Second pass here. Got some drifting off the field. It's at least 18 inches deep here. Wondering how smart I was to clear those tree lines with all this drifting. But not stuck yet, so we'll keep going. Well, that's clear enough for the country boys. I'll get my Jeep out, put a few passes on it with some all-terrain tires, and should be good. It's gonna be below freezing for at least 10 days, so I don't have to worry about ice just yet. It's a fine balance scraping, because you try to get snow without grading your gravel, all while trying to keep an old two-wheel drive tractor from getting stuck. Stuff looks nice, but I can do without it. Road gear, I can maybe do 25 miles an hour with this hog. Pretty fun. Very rarely take it on the road, but that's the alternative. Traffic is extremely light, so I'll be all right. Here's another very used piece of equipment for the farm. 1997 Jeep TJ, 4-liter, 5-speed manual. Upsized tires, 31s, 4-inch lift. Very nice. It's got a cable shifter for the transfer case. It's got a tummy tuck and a gas tank tuck, so lots of ground clearance. Don't think I've ever put this one on the channel before, but since the Harley Davidson's gone, maybe you'll see more of this Jeep. I've had it for years. It's very reliable. This here is why no one, under any circumstances, should ever have a two-wheel drive pickup truck. They're the worst possible vehicle in the snow. So this Jeep has a winch, and we'll pull this thing back, but please don't ever get a two-wheel drive truck. Easy peasy.